But that's how you got the problem. Like, just know. I try to take up my side, girl.
Did you get that? Take on my side. What do you mean? I got scared. I thought you. No, I'm vulnerable right now.
You gotta go this time, bro. First you start chasing you.
I know. Did you see the camera?
I don't think you saw it.
Hey guys, today we're gonna be farting on people in public. Yeah. Let's go. This is hard.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
Hey, what's up guys? Yo, if you want more content, hit like and subscribe down below. Make sure to hit the little...
Hey guys, welcome to Emily Tell You Slime Fest. It is Thursday, December 21st, 10:23, and Dancer and Prancer. Easy. I know the game. Yeah. Guys, we made slime with worm ball. Wait,
Watch out, Lisa. Brittany.
Hey.
Why are you feeling by your slime?
It's kind of gross, but I like it.
What is going on? Rudolph's over there taking his test. I don't know.
Can you grab the glue? Put it in.
Put more glue.
Look, guys. Wait, I have to put it.
This is like
Okay.
Alright, yo, but for real, don't make sure none of it gets on my desk.
Okay, look.
Or my jersey.
Come here. Nice. Okay, guys. Let me get some more. You go down in history. Jade, my fucking Jade. Why are you overacting?
That would be.
Bro.
It's in your bracelet too, bro.
You're gonna need a lot of glue.
Where's my $2 though?
Yeah, where's the two?
I got you. They're in my bag. Trust. Oh, it's $2 to make slime.
Oh my
Yeah.
god.
Lisa, can I mix it?
Yeah.
Oh, my ring is coming off. What's that?
Oh, where's my whip ring?
Sebastian Mayorga, you're leaving. Sebastian, you're leaving.
You already left.
Wait, this is way too
My
much
hands smell
detergent.
delicious.
Yeah,
I
add
think
more
you
guys-
glue, Lisa.
So good.
Is there charms still in there?
No, put more charms.
Should I put more charms in here? Or do you think this is too much?
But put cute charms, Rudolph.
That's
Put lotion on
I
it.
don't want to mess it up.
You gotta make butter slime.
This one's like butter.
Butter slime? What's butter?
Oh my god, it's when you
like
put
You put clay. It's so fun. Guys, if
this is good.
Mine has too many charms.
eat it.
I'll give you $1 if you eat it.
Eat it.
what?
Eat it. No, eat it.
I'll eat it for the bowl, guys.
There's a reason why it says do not
Meredith
edit
ate slime thumbnail.
Bro, Jade.
It's like coming out of my mouth.
Jade, you keep on dropping on me.
Oh shit, my bad. Yeah.
You wanna make No. The microphone's still stinky. This is the portrait I made of
You want one?
What are you doing? Oh, wait.
Okay, I think I can.